Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue 3. Today we are going to learn about the modifiers in Vue 3. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. In Vue 3, modifiers are special directives that can be added to the event handlers or bindings to modify their behavior. They help in enhancing the functionality of directives or the event handlers. Here are some commonly used modifiers in Vue 3. That is, first one is dot stop. Prevents the event from propagating further up the DOM tree. So here how you can use it? Button @click dot stop. Do something, click me button. Okay. Then we have a dot prevent. Calls event dot prevent default. There is an event that is prevent default to prevent the default behavior of the event. So here you can add @submit dot prevent, which we have used in the last video. @submit dot prevent. Okay, so why we are using calls event dot prevent default to prevent the default behavior of the event. Okay, then we have a dot self. Only triggers the handler if the event was dispatched from the element itself, not from the children. Okay, so @click dot self. So this div triggers the event. Then we have a dot once attaches an event listener that will automatically removed after the first invocation. So when you try to add dot once, it attach an event listener that will automatically removed after the first invocation. So here @click once. Okay, then we have a key modifiers, that is dot enter, dot tab, dot delete, dot escape, dot space, dot up, down, left, right. So listen for the specific keyboard keys. Okay, so you can use whenever we have a submit form, when we have a validation on the key press, you can add this one. Then we have a system modifiers, dot control shift alt meta. Listen for the specific key modifiers control shift alt meta along with an event. So @click control. Okay, then we have a mouse button modifiers, left, right, middle. Listens for the specific mouse buttons. Div mouse button dot left start drag me with the left mouse button. These modifiers can be combined to provide a specific behaviors to event listeners or directives. They offer a convenient way to handle events or modify the behavior of directives without requiring additional code in the event handlers or the methods. So if you have a such kind of requirement, definitely you can use it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.